Are you looking for a new advanced way to start training your core, but also your total body stability? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to do the Czech Get-Up. A lot of people have heard of the Turkish Get-Up, which is a common kettlebell exercise. The Czech Get-Up is similar to the Turkish Get-Up, where you're starting on the floor, you're trying to stand back up with a weight and then get back down. But the way you get up is different, and it follows a sequence of developmental positions based off of the Prague School of Rehab and their DNS, or dynamic neuromuscular stabilization philosophies. So let's get right to it. So you start lying on the ground. If you've never done this before, grab a lighter kettlebell. I got a 20-pound kettlebell here. First thing you're gonna do, press both arms out in front of you, and then you're gonna come up into this 3-month supine position, similar to like a dead bug exercise. And then from here, you're gonna transition into a 6-month position where you start to bring your knees up a little bit higher. From here, we're gonna slowly transition into a sideline position. And then from here, you're coming up into a low oblique sit, and then up into a high oblique sit. And then now you're gonna transition into a tripod, up to a tall kneeling position. This is a lot harder than it looks. And then up into standing. And then after standing, you're gonna drop down to a deep squat position, bring it back up, and then now we're gonna reverse it. So now I'm gonna come back down into that tall kneeling, look at the kettlebell as I drop it into that tripod position, and then I'm gonna transition and sit back into that high oblique, low oblique, and then coming down the sideline back up into that 3-month supine position. And then relax. Whew. And I'm exhausted just after doing one of those. If you've never done this before, it seems complicated, but after you go through it a couple times, it starts to feel more fluid. You're gonna feel everything working from your core stability to your shoulder hip stability, and you're getting quote unquote functional exercises like a deep squat as you're doing it.